Hey guys, just wanted to show you an update. I've got my parts completed. I went and cerakoted these. This is the E-Series. This is it's a black. I don't know if it constitutes as a gloss black or not, but it turned out really well. I'm really happy with it. And what cerakoting does, it's a ceramic coating that goes on pretty much whatever you want to put it on. You can put it on plastics, metal, anything like that. So what I decided to do is I decided to ceramic coat the exhaust manifolds. I did the up pipe to the turbo, and I did the turbo exhaust housing. And this is good for up to 1800 degrees. And like I said before in the previous video, that I started my own cerakoting business. So if you want anything cerakoted, automotive parts, rifles, guns, anything like that, go ahead and shoot me a message on here, and we can figure something out. Thanks, guys.